All right, you guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. We are moving into week 8. So always please click weekly content because that's like your checklist of stuff you got to do. Uh, you're going to access this website, and like I said, I just want you to do 30 minutes of, spend 30 minutes just moving through the lessons. When you click this website, go all the way down to the bottom. It has a little lesson, then some practice exercises. Again, just put the timer on, 30 minutes. Next, you're going to send a nice little email thanking Mr. Larry Lena for visiting our classroom. Please watch this video. It tells you exactly how I want you to send the email. Make sure you CC me so you get your 10 points. Rachel Carson, she is the mother of the environmental movement. Yes, her texts are dated from 1950, 60, but I know you're going to love A Fable for Tomorrow. And this is, Fable for Tomorrow is more of a narrative. The Obligation to Endure is more of a scientific, it's not scientific, but it has a little more technical discussion. But I think you might like both. So this is our environmental unit. Learn about persuasive techniques. So this is a website which is awesome because it's leading you into our next essay, which is a visual rhetorical analysis essay. And so just preview it and read it and follow the videos and look at the discussion. And it's just big writing, and it looks like it's a lot, but it's big writing, so it goes really fast and it's really well done. I'll get you that video about the visual rhetorical analysis essay. You guys get to choose your own due dates for the preliminary assignments for that visual rhetorical analysis essay. And so you're going to, for the brainstorming, working thesis, annotated bibliography, and the outline, you get to choose your due dates, but they all have to be done before next Tuesday. And so you're going to fill out the survey to let me know when you're going to turn in those assignments. So the reason why you did the cemetery projects is to ramp up your thinking. You guys watched the Bloom's video last week so that you understand the higher order thinking. And so this is an explanation of the synthesis papers. We are not rehashing what those authors said when they wrote their articles. We already did that. Summarizing is lower order thinking. We are taking a leap, taking a jump, and moving that thinking into higher levels. And this worksheet is referenced in the actual video. The discussion board is going to ask you to inspect your trash. You're going to write your synthesis paper. Chapter 14 has everything to do with the visual rhetorical analysis essay. And please continue reading Indian Horse. As always, please click the weekly content. That's your checklist, as I just mentioned. Assignments. Annotations are always due Friday. I was messing up a few weeks ago, but now they're all due Friday. Week 8 discussion board, inspect your trash. Synthesis paper is due Monday or Sunday night. Okay, so visual rhetorical analysis essay assignment drop boxes. First, choose your due dates by clicking here, and then it's gonna ask you, when are you gonna turn in your thesis? When are you gonna turn in brainstorming? Blah, blah, blah. And then you decide. So when you are ready to turn those in, then you're gonna click that folder, and then you'll see, oh, I have to turn in the brainstorming right here. Oh, I gotta turn in the working thesis here. Oh, I gotta turn in the annotated bibliography here and the outline here. And then a video is provided on how to do each one of these. I hope that is helpful. And you guys are probably going to kill me, but anyways, this is week 8. Hope you have a great day.